Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for both beginners as well as for the advanced level expert. You can also watch this even if you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. We have covered up the 9 plus module with 21 plus hour of HD videos in which we have covered both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. We start up with the introduction to the Salesforce and the CRM essentials. We have also let you know about the Salesforce release cycle with the Salesforce edition and the pricing packages too. We also let you know how you can navigate yourself to Salesforce Lightning to the classic and create a free developer account in Salesforce too. We have covered up all the essential features of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Even we have let you know how you can create a user, manage the user, even you can activate, deactivate and create or reset the password of the user. If we talk about the security, we also let you know about the object level security, field level security, record level security, and also let you know how you can share the things with other Salesforce admins. And if we move ahead, we also let you know about how you can create an app with objects and the tab and with its essential features. We have covered up each and every field that are available in Salesforce with some of its functions and the formula in both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. If we move to the advanced topic of a Salesforce, we have let you know about how you can create a custom buttons to the links to the action pages and the page layouts and the list view. We also let you know about the schema builder to the process builder and the validation rules, so you can also automate the process executions and the do the automation things. We also let you know how you can use the reports and dashboard to visualize your data inside in Salesforce easily. If we are dealing up with the bulk of a data, you are dealing up with the millions of a data, we have let you know about the data import wizard tools and the data loader, so you can use it to insert, to delete, to update and to create all the data in a one go. So this course is for the Salesforce admin. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can go with that course. This is a totally 100% self-paced video module. You can go and watch anywhere when you get a time according to your preference. Even we are letting you go, give the PDF material so you can easily grasp the things at the end. We also give you the certification once you complete that course, and this course is available at the 50% of discount right now with the lifetime access. And one of the most best feature of this course is that we are giving you a one-to-one doubt clear session with interview preparations and the internship opportunity. So now let's move back to our today's topic. So today we are going to learn about the left function in Salesforce. Let's firstly understand what does we mean by this left function. This left function is one of the text function of Salesforce that is used to return a specified number of character from the start of a text string. And you can say that if left function is used to extract the specified number of character from the leftmost side of the string. If we see its syntax, the syntax is given on your screen. Here we have pass a text. The text parameter specify the text string from which you want to extract the substring, and the number of the characters specify the total number of character that you want to extract from the start of the text string. So let's proceed and learn how we can use this left function in Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic user interface with the help of example. So here I open my Salesforce account and I am in the Lightning one. I click on a gear icon and click on a setup option to redirect myself to the Lightning setup. Once I reached here, on the top of the navigation bar we have a object manager as a tab. I click on that and here I get the list of all the objects that are in Salesforce. Now I am going to show you the example for the contact. I search for the contact in the quick find box and click on it. Once I do that, it will ask me to choose the object manager options. Here I choose the fields and relationship and then I click on the new as a button to create a new formula field. Here I choose the formula as a field type because I want to create a formula with the function. And next I choose the field label in this thing. Here I choose it as a area code and here I type and the field name get automatically populated based upon that. Now I choose the formula return type as a text one and after that I click on the next button. After you click on the next, you have to create a formula for that. As I'm going to use the left function, I click on the all function category, choose the text as a category and choose the left function from here the list that we get it down. And here I click on that and click on insert selected function. Now it's time to replace the parameter according to your requirement. So here I'm going to replace it with the text field. that is the mobile number. Here I click on insert field button and search for the mobile phone. So let's search where it is, and once I get it, here it is, I click on that, I click on insert, then I want the number of character as a 2, so I pass it down 2 and click on a check syntax button to check whether it has some error or not. So there is no syntax error. If you want to add any description or help text, you can do that. Otherwise you need to click on the next button to proceed to the next step, where you need to choose the profile on which you want to grant the addresses of this particular field. And if you do these things, you after that you need to click on the next button, and here you need to choose the page layout on which you want to include that particular field. The field will not be appear if you don't select any of one, and click on a save button once you've done these things. Now to see how it is working and it is working fine or not, you need to go to the app launcher and search for your as a contact for object, as we have used this function on the contact. Here I search for the contact and click on that. Once I click on that, it will take me to the page where I will get the list of all the contacts that are present here. You need to randomly pick up any of the contact and edit the things and get the result according to it. So here I have edited the one and open it, and here in the details section I will get the result. Here it is a mobile number. So let's see I get a area code or not. So where it is, here is the area code. The first is the parenthesis and then is the 2, because here you can see that in the mobile number the first character is the parenthesis and the second one is a 2. So with this we have learned how we can use the left function. Now let's see how we can do that things in a Salesforce Classic. I click on a profile and click on a switch to a Salesforce Classic button to redirect myself to the classic interface. Once I move to that, here I click on a setup as an option. Once I click on that, it's asked me to scroll down to move to the bill section and expand the customize to choose the standard object on which you want to apply these things. So I am going to show you the example for this moment for the orders as an object. I expand these things and click on a fields as an option. Once I click on that, it will show me the list of all the fields that are present, but I want to create a new one. I move to the order custom fields and relationship section and click on the new as a button. Once I click on that, it asks me to choose the field type. I choose the formula as a 1 and click on the next button. Here I need to enter the field label, so I am going to enter the field label as a order type prefix, and once I do that, the field name get automatically populated based upon the field label I have added, and I choose the formula return type as a text and click on the next button to proceed. Once I do that, it asks me to create the formula using the left function in Salesforce. So let's firstly I create a formula, then I will explain how it is working on. So here I click on a check syntax button. So let's see how it is working. There is a no syntax error. Here I am use the if function, and inside it I use the is blank function with the order number field in it, and if part check whether the order number is empty or not. If it returns an empty string, it is not proceed to the second part. If it is not, it proceed to the second part, and we use the if function again. And inside it I pass the begins function also with the order number and the prefix code to check if it is the order number start with the prefix ORD, and if it is, if we use the left function with the length function that extract the ORD as a prefix and return it. If not, it proceed to the third one, and the third one we are similarly finding the bulk for the bulk prefix, and after that in the third part we are searching up for the promo, and if none of these things happen, we are printing it as a unknown type. So to move to the next step, we are clicking on the next button, and here we have to choose the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of that particular field. And after doing settings, you need to click on the next button where you need to choose the page layout where you have to include that particular field, and the field will not appear on the page if you don't select it. And finally you need to click on a save button. Once you click on a save, it successfully created up the formula with the left function. So with this we have successfully learned how to use the left function in Salesforce Lightning and Classic. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.